Here's the Wavegenius Elliott Wave Forecast for November 7th, 2013. On the S&P 10-day 1-minute chart, we have a very light volume, crazy, spiky craziness. Basically, we have zigzag, rally, boom, gap down. Then rally, fought it, rallied, boom, slide down. But I think what it is, it's like either someone out there is trying to stop the third wave, and they know that what they know all my tricks, and or they're just light volume, and some idiot is trying to sell it at any price. But in either case, though, I still believe this still could accelerate into a 3. But what we need is a break above 1772, at least, like a 1.5 point gap up tomorrow instead of a gap down, and or above 1774 to start a third wave. This could still be 1, 2, 3 as long as we can take out 1773 in the S&P, and the target would be around 1785 to 1800 if we do end up fully breaking above 1775 in the S&P. For the Dow. This is a better zigzag, A, B, C, with you have 2 B's and a C, and then a big rally. So this is actually a much better chart than S&P when I look at the Dow, because when it moved to a third wave, it really moved to a third wave. So if Dow's is any indicator, this would be a zigzag into a third wave. So the Dow actually has a really great chart. When I look at this thing, it looks like perfect. A, B, double B, C, rally, third wave. But S&P, like I said, is just a choppy mess, but that's okay, because if they want to focus on the S&P, that's cool. I don't care. It'll turn to a third wave anyways. Nasdaq though is kind of weird because we have a zigzag rally, got to exactly 0.786, pretty funny. ABC rally, they gapped it, tried to stop it, rally, and they faded it. And funny thing about it is, like, this is a formation that they're trying to stop, and each time they try to stop it, it keeps rising back. So either someone out there is like aiming for those indexes, or it's just weird. It's like ratcheting up this big ladder of craziness. So if they're gonna try to stop my formations, go ahead, try to stop it, because I'm gonna go in there. You can't stop it. Anyway, yeah, I'm like kind of like fired up because I'm seeing these gaps that come out of nowhere after zigzags and third waves. I mean, this one is a zigzag, right? Check. This is the formation that works a lot, or like eight times out of 10. ABC zigzag, rally above 0.76, and then boom. And with Tesla, they actually hit 0.76 like literally yesterday before earnings. The Tesla came in there, hit my 0.76 number right at 181, and they slammed it really bad. So it's really weird what's going on in this market right now, to be honest. I mean, these formations work so frequently that either someone is really crazy and is trying to put a lot of money in this and get scared, or someone really, yeah, actually that would make sense. For example, yeah, third wave setup, right? They get really scared, and some really big guy with a lot of money got really scared and just sold it, and right exactly 0.76 in Nasdaq. Either I should try to convince them not to do that on the broadcast, or I don't know. But in either case, we have all these formations are still intact, but Nasdaq would need to take at least 39.47. I hate to be a conspiracy theorist, but with this kind of volume, this kind of light volume, the market can be easily manipulated, and things really bizarre do happen. These formations are extremely bizarre, and but things though, I'm still hanging on here saying this is still a third wave. And I'll stand by what I believe because I know this formation is still intact. And the S&P full target of 1.618 minimum is 2251 and or 3300. So I've been calling ever since S&P hit 666. I've been looking for like crazy targets. So actually, to be honest, the second wave of August 2011, I called for a third wave to 2200 when it was down to 1000. So basically, what I'm trying to say is I have faith in what I do. And the fact that I have so much belief in what I do is what makes me such a great trader. Because I have so much confidence in what I can do. And I have so much confidence in these formations that I'm almost unstoppable when I have a lot of confidence. So don't try to do it again. That's right.